Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for Section E housing, also known as the Housing Choice Voucher Program. So this program can help eligible families, seniors, and people with disabilities pay for safe rental housing. The process is not the same everywhere because applications are handled by your local public housing agency or PHA. So to start, go to the official USA.gov Section 8 housing page, and from there you can read what the program is, who you may qualify, and how the voucher works. So usually eligibility depends on your income, family size, and your citizenship or eligible immigration status. Next, look for your local public housing agency. This is the office that manages Section 8 applications in your area, and once you find your local PHA, check if their waiting list is open. If it is open, follow their instructions and submit your application online, either by mail or in person, depending on what they allow. And before applying, make sure that you have the important details ready, like your household information, income, identification, and contact details. After you submit the application, wait for an update from the housing agency. And keep in mind that many areas have waiting lists, so approval may take time. And that is the basic idea of how to apply for Section 8 housing. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.